When it comes to selling, it's very easy to get caught up and focus only on the numbers. Sure, numbers matter, but if you want to have a meaningful impact on your customers, inspire their long-term loyalty, and keep your staff motivated, then it's more important to focus on selling in a way that puts people, not prices, first. With a people-centric approach to sales, you'll inevitably sell more. So in this video, we'll highlight 4 essential sales tips that will transform the way you sell. Let's dive in. First, know your product and believe in what makes your business great. What motivates people today is not always what, but rather why. After all, if a customer is approaching your business, they will already have a good idea of what they need from you, whether it's a plumbing, heating, or security solution. The real question is, why should they pick your services? It's important to have answers to these questions. Why should a customer choose your services and not someone else's? What makes you special? Spoilers, it's not because of price, it's because of how your business comes across, giving them confidence that your services will fulfill their needs far better than a competitor. This self-belief and the ability to show that your entire team is dedicated to a customer's success will signal to them that you're the best choice and make it much more likely that you'll win them over and give your sales a boost. Next, it's about working to better understand your customers' needs. If you take the time to properly consult with customers, it helps you to build a clear picture and identify how you can help them. This is where a consultative approach to sales comes in most useful and can give customers confidence in your ability to meet and even exceed their needs. Consultative questions are an excellent way to get customers on side. So make sure that you're communicating with customers clearly and taking the time to find out as much useful information as possible. You'll be able to improve your services and learn to improve your business as well as a result. Number 3, always follow up with your prospects. Letting a lead go cold and ignoring an inquiry is the best way to damage relationships and hinder success with sales. And sure, you don't want to pester customers either. No one likes a hard sell. But by scheduling a simple follow-up, which could be as easy as sending a quick email, phone call, or even a text, can add a personal touch with a friendly reminder that keeps you at the forefront of their mind. If you don't follow up, you'll miss out. Finally, tip 4, show, don't tell. This means demonstrating the effectiveness of your product or service to your prospects. To do this, use visual cues. This is the best way to sell yourself to your customers and make more of a connection with them without having to speak to them. From sharing positive reviews and testimonials on your website to pictures of your work or videos of your team interacting with customers. If you show customers who you are and what you do, you can give them a taste of the real-life experience of working with you. These are 4 essential ways that you can improve your success with sales. Know your product and service, understand customers' needs, always follow up, and show, don't tell.